Welcome to my wonderful greenhouse farm.
Wow, I hear your greenhouse grows lots of giant veggies. Give me a ticket to harvest those giant pumpkins.
All right, come on in.
What? They are all wilted. There's nothing left to pick. You scammer, give me my money back.
Huh? Wait, I still have another greenhouse.
That one's no better. What a waste of time.
Oh no! What happened to all my gardens? The pump didn't work. It dried out all my plants. Guess I'll have to start over with these greenhouses.
How to save a dying greenhouse?
First, I need to dig out the old and dried soil. Then, I'll replace it with fresh and nutrient-rich soil. This time, I'll plant a beautiful rose garden, so I'm pouring lots of these rose seeds into every planting hole. Inside the greenhouse, there'll be a water trough that drips through tiny holes into each planting spot. I'll also need a funnel to catch the water from the pump. All done. Now, one more greenhouse for my giant pumpkins. Perfect. The water's flowing evenly into every seed hole. Come pick some roses, everyone. Only $5 a turn.
You got any other plants? I want to see them.
Sure, I've still got another greenhouse. The pumpkin garden's right over there. The pump sends water from that mountain lake to the rose greenhouse, then flows on to the pumpkin one for watering. Oh yeah, the pumpkins are growing. $10 a ticket. Come pick all the pumpkins you want.
That's awesome!
How to build a greenhouse water pump. Number 1. Build the impeller. I'll make the case first. Now, I'll build the impeller. Put the impeller inside. Add the legs. Add the motor. Add the battery box. Next, I'll build the pump unit. I'll use this pump with 2 hoses. Connect to components. Testing.
Water Toy Store.
The Water Toy Store is open. Welcome, customers.
Do you have something fun for my bath?
Hurry, hurry. I need a stronger water blaster.
My pool pump is broken. Can you help me?
All right, you guys follow me, please. At this showroom, we have everything you are all looking for.
Wow.
This toy can make your bath time more fun and bubble.
Wow! Oh!
Soapy water.
As you can see, my SpongeBob can fill your bathtub with tons of fluffy, fizzy soap bubbles.
Build the SpongeBob Bubble Bath Toys. Number 1, build the pants and shirt. Number 2, build the head. These 2 bars will help the machine stick to the tank wall. This tray is used to hold soap poured into the machine. Our machine needs the motor inside to work. And then, finish off his head. Number 3, build the arms and legs. SpongeBob Bubble Bath Toys has done.
Exactly what I need. I'll take it.
Huh?
What? No thinking at all. Okay, just leave it here and let's move on. Here comes our next water toy.
Wow!
What can that huge toy do?
Okay, I'll show you what it can do now. This toy not only pumps water for your pool, but also makes it the most unique and fun place to hang out.
Build the Patrick water sprinkler. Number 1. Build the sprinkler head. I'll build the nozzle's base on the shape of the Patrick star. The water will come out from these holes. Number 2. Build the water pump unit. First, I'll build the cylinder unit to pump the water. Pneumatic cylinder. Add the gears. Add the engine. Now I'll use these gear rings and water tank to build the water supply part. Connect all 3 of them together. Add the battery box. Add the floats. Connect water pump to sprinkler head. Patrick water sprinkler is done.
Awesome, I'll take it.
Okay, that huge toy is sold for the old man. Let's keep going. Now is our next masterpiece, the ultimate Squidward water blaster.
Wow!
Wow!
Ooh!
Wow!
Let's load up the water ammo. The water's all filled up. This is so satisfying. I can play it all day.
Build the Squidward water blaster. First, I'll build a water ejection module. Pneumatic cylinder. Add the battery and motor. Now I'll add the outer cover around the motor and the cylinders. Then thread the pipes from the tank to the muzzle. Now finish the outer cover. And add the trigger handle.
It's so strong. I want to buy it.
Wait, I changed my mind. I'll keep these toys for myself.
I was ready to pay.
Are you kidding me?
You trickster.
Wow, so fun. Look at all the bubbles and sprays everywhere. I could live in the tub forever with these toys.
Hurry up, we're gonna be late.
We're on our way.
What can I do for you, sir?
Hold up. Got your access card.
Here's my access card.
All right, go on in.
Thank you.
Enjoy your day.
All clear. No one's around.
All right, here we go.
Let's wrap this up.
Nice work.
Here, take it.
Got it in. Perfect.
Okay, let's move according to plan. That was awesome. Let's move.
Go ahead.
Silence. Put your hands up.
Everything's spinning.
Come on, let's go inside. That's my treasure right there.
We're gonna be rich.
Say hello to the good life.
Move, get out, quick.
Stop. One last check. Go on, you're clear.
Thank you.
We are safe at last.
Don't let them get away. They are robbers.
Oh no, I'm one step too late.
We're about to hit the jackpot. Use the toilet.
We do it right now.
Go away, my diamonds.
How to build a toilet.
Huh? Oh no, that rain has ruined all my hay. I'm out of grass and the horses are starving.
Out of grass.
Oh! I need to make more silage fast.
How lucky. Last night's rain made my field grow full of grass.
Hello.
I need a ton of fresh grass to the horse farm.
Coming right up.
I brought the fresh grass.
So much grass. I need to start silage now. Grass silage truck. Let's roll up all the grass onto the truck for me. Great, all the grass is spread evenly. Now let's wrap it with plastic film and start silage. These tires will hold the plastic down and keep the silage airtight. I'll be back in a few hours to check.
How to build the grass silage truck. Step 1. Build the truck body. First, I'll build the spreader module to spread the grass evenly. Add the motor. Add the tread links. Connect to the battery box. These cleats help push and carry the grass forward. Next, attach the side walls to the conveyor. Now I'll need these to guide rails to help the plastic film slide smoothly over the grass. I'll use this plastic film to cover the grass for silage. Pulling strings. This slope lets the grass flow in easier. The wheel. Pulling rods. Step 2. Build the truck head. Add the tread links. Add the wheels. Connect the head to the body. Step 3. Build the gross pressing frames. Next, I need to mount these 6 gross pressing frames to the truck body. These wheels provide weight to hold the plastic film in place. Add the motor. The truck has 4 functions: gross wrapping, gross spreader, gross pickup, gross pressing. Testing, shredded paper.
Oh no, it's too hot. The grass is going bad. I need to add some silage inoculant now. Looks like it's breaking down a bit. Great, the grass is finally up to standard. I should pack it up and feed the horses now. Let's enjoy your meal. With this silage machine, no more hungry horses.
Guys, I'm here with my family, getting ready for our biggest barbecue yet. This is my dad.
Hi.
Here's my sister.
Hi. I've got the turkey. Now you go grill the duck.
Awesome, I'm on it.
Ooh!
Get ready, oven. Flames are up. Man, turning this handle is exhausting. Chop, chop. Let's speed it up. Oh crap. Stupid oven. I better fix this before Dad see it. How to build the Lego oven. Number 1. Build the heating chamber. First, I'll build cooking chamber. Next, I'll build the oil draining rack using this Lego grid. Now, I need a tray to hold the candle. The candle. Number 2. Build the grilling section. I'll use these 2 gears and 3 axles to make the rotating skewer. Attach it inside the oven. The chain link. Add the motor. Connect to the battery box. Check now. Now I'll need to add the top cover for the oven. Number 3. Build the roof. Let's test the machine with these carrots. The oven works perfectly and the skewer is spinning smoothly inside. Guys, look at the oven I just fixed.
All done. The table's ready.
Is the duck done yet? I'm starving.
Hang on, the duck's almost ready. I've got to speed things up. This motor runs so smooth. I'll brush this duck with my family's top secret sauce. Now I'll take these to the table and feast.
Wow!
They look so delicious. Yummy roast ducks have arrived.
Wait, you can't have a barbecue without veggies.
Oops, let's grill some more vegetables. Grilled veggies done.
Wow! We should invite the neighbors too, Dad.
Yeah, good idea.
This is the best barbecue I've ever had.